Bingo apps that pay you real money don't generate income from gameplay itself. They run on ad revenue and sponsored promotions, where companies pay for engagement, then convert that activity into cash or gift card rewards once you complete requirements. By the end of this, you'll know 5 bingo-style apps that actually offer real payouts, how each one structures earnings, and what really determines whether cash-outs feel fast or slow. Start with how these bingo apps actually work. Every real money bingo app uses the same system. You play bingo rounds, complete objectives or enter matches, and earn points based on participation or performance. Those points convert into cash or gift cards once you reach the app's minimum withdrawal limit. The money is coming from advertisers, not the bingo game itself. First category is competitive, bingo cash apps. These apps let you enter bingo rooms against other players. You earn based on results or placement in matches. The better you perform, the faster you can build rewards, but entry availability depends on active tournaments. Second category is casual bingo reward apps. These apps let you play standard bingo rounds without competition pressure. You earn points over time instead of winning against other players. It feels slower, but progress is more consistent. Third category is hybrid reward gaming apps with bingo sections. These apps combine bingo with other earning methods like surveys or mini-games. Bingo is just one part of the system, which increases earning options, but makes payout timing depend on different reward types. Now, here's what actually matters when choosing one. Room availability is the biggest factor. If there aren't active bingo sessions or matches, your earning opportunities slow down immediately. Tracking reliability is the second factor. If completed games aren't recorded correctly, rewards can be delayed or lost. And payout thresholds matter more than most people realize. Some apps require higher point totals before you can cash out, which changes how fast earnings feel in practice. So instead of chasing one best bingo money app, the smarter approach is testing multiple apps and sticking with the one that consistently has active rooms in your region. Summary: bingo cash apps pay through ads and sponsored gameplay. Speed depends on room availability, tracking accuracy, and withdrawal limits. No single app guarantees fast or consistent payouts for everyone. Next step: install one bingo reward app and play a few rounds to see how quickly your progress is tracked and becomes eligible for withdrawal. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.